A powerful gas pressure washer from a name you trust, the WPX 3200 from Westinghouse produces a maximum of 3,200 pounds of pressure and pumps up to 2.5 gallons of water per minute. Clean, renew, and rejuvenate surfaces with the WPX 3200. Use the built-in half-gallon soap tank with the soap applicator nozzle for wide area coverage to lift and release set-in stains on siding, windows, and cars. The 40-degree fan pattern nozzle is for powerful cleaning on boats and RVs, or as a final rinse. The 25 and 15-degree nozzles are for deep cleaning fences, brick, and concrete, or for reaching those high, hard-to-reach places like gutters and chimneys. Finally, blast with precision using the high-pressure 0-degree nozzle for cleaning sidewalk cracks and driveways. The WPX 3200 is the ideal pressure washer for all your home needs. A stainless steel wand with brass quick connect fittings will easily change between nozzles. 25 feet of worry-free abrasion-resistant hose connects to a self-priming 3-piston axial cam pump. 3,200 pounds of high-power cleaning for your toughest jobs. The WPX 3200. Westinghouse. Power when you need it. Power where you need it.
Tackle tough cleaning jobs around the home with Simpson CM61083 gas pressure washer. Lightweight and easy to store. This machine delivers 3,400 PSI at 2.5 gallons per minute. It comes equipped with a powerful 208 Simpson CRX engine and an OEM Technologies axial cam pump, so you'll get reliable cleaning results for every kind of job, from vinyl siding to concrete cleanup. The 25-foot high-pressure hose is highly flexible, non-marking, and resists kinks and abrasions. And the ergonomic spray gun with 16-inch steel lance includes 4 quick connect nozzles that swap out easily to handle a variety of cleaning tasks. It's all housed on a powder-coated steel frame with 10-inch premium pneumatic tires for easy maneuverability. The Simpson CM61083 Clean Machine Pressure Washer is backed by our premium warranty, and it's available now. Simpson, driven by performance.
Introducing the Champion Pro 3500 PSI Commercial Duty Pressure Washer. Perfect for on the job, around the house, cleaning your recreational equipment, or removing stains from your driveway or sidewalk. This unit is powered by a Champion 224cc engine with a high-performance Anovi Riverberry triplex brass head pump, delivering 2.5 gallons per minute, and comes standard with a 50-foot steel braid reinforced high-pressure hose with 3/8-inch quick connects, storage strap, comfort grip trigger gun, and 5 interchangeable quick connect nozzles. Using different cleaning detergents has never been easier with the onboard 1-gallon detergent tank and the unique low-pressure detergent nozzle. And the low profile and 10-inch tires make this versatile unit easy to maneuver and transport from job to job. Make sure you always wear the proper safety gear when operating your pressure washer. Read your operator's manual to easily get your pressure washer up and running. Open the box to safely access the pressure washer. Assemble the pressure washer. Add oil to the engine. Move the pressure washer outside. Add gasoline to the engine. Connect the wand to the trigger gun. Attach your desired nozzle. Connect the high pressure hose. Connect the water supply. Turn on the water supply. Pull the trigger gun to purge air from the hose. Start the engine, and you're ready to go. The Champion Pro 3500 PSI Pressure Washer. Versatile, portable, and powerful.
You